crack and open a cold one.
Mmm. So good.
Look around online.
Okay. Well, I'll do some looking too, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna head back so I can play football.
Okay. I love you. Have fun.
Have fun at Home Goods. Love you too. You look so cute.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Going Solo Diaries, episode 14. Today we are starting off this fine dandy morning at nothing other than Home Goods. I have a big obsession with Home Goods. It's just kind of always been there. It will always be there. I feel like this fit is very appropriate for Home Goods, not because Home Goods is for old people, but it's just a cozy place. You know, they've always got the best stuff, and this sweater is like my new favorite obsession. So we're going to do some damage today. Mainly what I'm looking for is bedroom decor for my room because I don't have my bed frame yet. Drew's mom is gonna make my nightstands, which I'm so excited about. She does custom woodworking. I want to find a little side table, maybe a dresser or a vanity desk thing. And then also some paintings and then furniture for the second and third or first floor. I don't know, whatever you would call the bottom floor, right under the stairwell. So there's like that empty space. Fueled up with Alani Nu Hawaiian shaved ice. This is the best flavor ever. It's really bad how much I'm obsessed with this. So let's do some damage, baby.
'Cause baby, it's like a light storm to be yours. Thunder crashing till the sky's torn.
Guys, I didn't find anything at Home Goods. Now I'm going to Scandinavian Furniture Design. Hopefully I'll have some better luck there. I love this song, so I'm gonna shut up and sing. This is my mic. And I'll take some time that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories. Love, don't you love when I come around?
Just two lovers in the car, listen in the blind, falling for each other's all alone. With the love of my life, she's got glitter for skin. I woke up, boy, it's time to get it. Walking to the window, started saying thank God I woke up. Feeling like a motherfucker really.
Okay, so no luck at any of the stores that I went to today. Tier, but you know what? This is good because I didn't spend any money. I just spent my gas. Yeah, so I went to Home Goods, Ashley Furniture Store, Scandinavian Designs Outlet, and nothing. I just made the best dinner ever, you guys. I gotta show you what I made. So I've got an Eggo waffle with almond butter and agave syrup on top, plus strawberries. Good morning. Today I'm wearing a very fall fit and I am so here for it. Skirt is from Princess Polly, obviously. Top is from Ralph Lauren Polo. I don't even know like the name of it. I feel like it's either Polo. I think it's Ralph Lauren Polo. I don't even know. A little bit nervous. I've got a speech to give today in my comm class and I don't know how to feel about it. I've been practicing so much in the shower, when I'm making food, in the car. I listen to a voice memo of me saying my speech. So I hope it goes well. I'm just trying to think positive and I definitely know that I have done all that I can to prepare for it. So that's today. And then tomorrow I've got this huge exam. So also really nervous about that. That's in math and I need to study for that tonight. But on another note, look at how grown out these bad boys are. Definitely need to get them done. I put on my Instagram story a little post asking for hair recommendations and nail recommendations. I do want to dye my hair darker in the winter, so probably in November I'll go dark or something like that. could be sooner, I don't know. I had fun though with this hair color. I just really miss my dark hair for some reason, which I never thought I would say. Life is crazy, y'all. A year ago, I was like a full blonde. I have to show y'all though the funniest thing ever. So I got this candle a week ago, okay? The flame on this one burnt out, so like the rest of the candle just melted without it, and you can see the wick right there. And now my candle just looks really sad, but it's okay because it's almost gone. I've got this new candle ready to go from Lit & Co candles. This smells amazing. I'm pretty sure it's pumpkin and rosemary. It's divine, I swear. I'm so excited to wear this new pair of socks that I got. They're gonna match my little sweater. Look at how cute they are. So I'm gonna wear these. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I might wear my Air Force Ones or my new, what's it called? Loafers. I got some loafers and I really want to wear them. I think I'm gonna run to the post office, drop off some Poshmark packages, and then go to school early, prep a little before. Oh, I'm like, I don't know how to feel. I took a speech class last year, so I feel kind of prepared, but it's just one of those things where you never know what's gonna happen. You could just totally forget everything the second you go up there. I'm gonna bring a granola bar to school. I've got 3 favorite types of bars, so we need to decide which one we're gonna have. In the top 3, we've got this Kind caramel almond bar, so good. Then we've got another Kind bar, but this one is dark chocolate and almonds. And then this one is an ABC bar from Trader Joe's. These things are literally amazing. They're filled with almond butter and they just taste so yum. Oh, I don't know which one to have. I think I'm gonna have a Kind bar. Okay, I'm gonna do the dark chocolate mocha. That one sounds really good. Okay, as y'all know, I love puzzles. I am just a huge puzzle girl. So I got a bunch of new puzzles for fall. So I did this one and I've had it out on my coffee table for like a month because I started fall way too early. But I got 2 new ones and I'm going to pick a new one to do. So the 2 options that we've got are this 1,000 piece puzzle. That's a lot. And then next we've got this 500 one. So I think I'm gonna do the 500 one just because the one I did previously was 300, and I feel like if I build my way up, I can do the 1,000. I've never done a 1,000 piece puzzle by myself. I've only done it with my family because we love puzzles at the Manning family house. So I'm going to put this on the coffee table and start it tonight. My flowers are dying, so sad, but I made this bouquet at Bible study a couple weeks ago. The cutest thing ever. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so that is gonna be there. Also, my flowers over here are dying. So Drew, if you're watching this, what are you doing? No, I'm just kidding. I'll probably get some more at Trader Joe's, but I love roses. So beautiful. All right, shoes are on. Instagram post is up. Let's go to class. Beautiful pimple on my face. I have been so hard on myself, y'all. I have not wanted to film because I'm like, look at that. But I don't even care. It's natural, it's normal. I need to get over myself. I hope that y'all are doing well. Please know that I'm always thinking about y'all, and I just hope that everything is going smooth, whether it be with school, relationships. I don't know. I just love y'all. Y'all are my family. Okay, let's back out. Also, I need to get my sunglasses out. Eye protection. If y'all aren't wearing sunglasses by now, what are you doing? All right. So first stop, we're gonna go to the post office.
Last time from gone, was it only just a dream? Left out like an old flame. Now I know how to find a way. Feels like I've been with the wolves all my life. I don't need somebody to hold the world in a man. You know this ain't the time for the 2 of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Close that. Love it when you toss it back. Love it when you talk back.
Package is all dropped off. I literally love downtown Boise. It is just the prettiest thing ever. All the buildings are so well kept, and going to the post office is fun for me. The one in Austin, I hated going to. It was so sketchy and scary, and people there were always yelling and like fighting. So, love the post office here. It's right by the Capitol too, which is really nice. Yesterday I dropped off 6 Poshmark orders. Today I dropped off 1. I like to drop them off as soon as possible. I hate making y'all wait. But if you want to shop my Poshmark, I sell a bunch of clothes. I switch on and off between selling things on Poshmark and then giving things to Goodwill or places like Goodwill. Most of the time they're things that I've only worn like once, and I sell them for really cheap. So definitely go check it out. My username will be on the screen. I need to get new car fresheners. These car fresheners are so old and they're kind of starting to make my car smell bad. So, I'm going to go to the school early, like I said, practice my speech one more time, just going over my outline and stuff. I think I've almost got the hang of navigating around Boise. Oh my gosh, also look at how pretty the Capitol is right now. Just got to the school. If anybody who goes to Boise State is watching this, have you also noticed that people drive like absolute assholes in this parking garage? Oh my gosh, people just need to slow their roll. We're all going to the same place. I will see you guys whenever I get to the comm building. Just got home from school and we've got some packages. Such a long day. Oh my gosh, wait, I need to tell you about my speech. So we could use note cards on our speech, but obviously you couldn't read word for word from it, but you could have them there for like pointers and stuff. Well, I challenged myself not to use them today, so I didn't bring them up with me, and I only had one pause in my speech where I forgot a part, but it went really well. I put a lot of effort into that speech. I don't know if I said this, but mine was on food allergies because I have a very personal connection to food allergies. All right, who is this first package from? Oh my gosh. Hello, this is so cute. Thank you so much, L'Occitane, for sending a PR package. This is so cute. There's even like Braille at the top. Hi Caroline, hope all is well. Skincare essentials to get your skin in perfect shape for the fall season and beyond. Oh, this is perfect. Precious line is known for its anti-aging properties thanks to the magical key ingredient, the immortal flower. The flower that never fades. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, so cute. I just said in a previous vlog how I was running out of my cream, so now I've got this Protective Youth Skincare Cream. Perfect. Then we've got Skincare Essential Water, Emulsion Enrich. I wonder what that is. And then a cleansing foam, which I'm always in need of a new cleanser, so thank you so much.
Hello.
Guess what finally came in?
Yeezys, let's go.
Look at how cute they are! I'm obsessed.
Do they fit?
I haven't tried them on. Let me try them on.
They better fit.
Oh my gosh, wait, I'm so excited.
You like
They
them?
look so good. Yours are behind me. Oh my god, they literally fit.
Let's go.
They fit so well.
You like them?
I love them.
Wait, let me see them. Let me see.
I love the thick laces on these. Okay, we're definitely placing more orders.
More orders? You want more?
Oh yeah.